Abu Dhakuri here, founder at Vizetto, creators of Reactiv Suite. I have something pretty unique to go ahead and show you. So far, you've always been told immersion, telepresence, all these cool things require you to go ahead and put a big clunky vacuum cleaner on your head. It needs all sorts of expensive hardware. Well, what if I told you that's not true? At Infocomm, we're going to bring together Vizetto and MediaResources in a completely unique telepresence, augmented reality connection where we're joining forces with our technology. You're going to be able to see a MediaResources VisionIQ panel on both our booths connected, displaying Reactiv in an augmented reality mode where there's content, inking, highlighting, where on the other side of the wall, you're actually going to feel like it's the other booth. So check it out, Infocomm in Orlando. Come down and see how we're going to transform remote meetings using augmented reality experiences, especially for large meeting spaces. Love to go ahead and see you there.